In this video, the media sensor has been adjusted to just right of the barcode shown, or in the position of 9 or 10 shown at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so now we're ready to do a calibration. We've got our sensor pretty much lined up. Don't pay any attention to that red sensor right there on the left hand side. That is not the sensor you want to look at. That is another sensor. But looking at this paper, we want to peel off a couple of labels because we're going to do a sensor calibration. So looking at the front panel, we hit the setup exit key again. Press the next key until we come to media and ribbon calibrate. We press the plus button. It says to load backing. Here we've taken off the labels. We take the labels and we load the backing all the way through until that label comes to about where that light is. Close the print head. Come over here, press the continue button, which is the plus key, and it says to remove the ribbon. Well, we don't have to remove the ribbon. We just open up the print head, slide the print head ribbon over to the right, close the print head where there's no ribbon now over here, and we just press continue. Now it's going to calibrate. Now again, this is really special paper. It causes the printer to become very sensitive to different changes, especially all that writing, and then it causes us to think that it's out of paper, and it's not. Well, the printer has just now told us that it's ready to be reloaded, so we reload the ribbon, pull the paper through all the way, close the print head, and press the continue button, which is the plus sign. Now on this, what we really want to hear is a quick pause in the printer. It'll print about 39 inches. And now it's come to the edge of the label. And now it has calibrated.